you all doing today? Welcome to my channel. Stay tuned with Samudraka. I hope you all are safe and at your home. So guys, today's topic is all about our green babies and also how to use them to make your house a green paradise. I'll be showing you in fact, 5 basic indoor plants which are not at all fancy, are inexpensive, budget friendly and also require very minimum amount of attention from you. You don't have to worry at all about how much water is required, whether the sunlight is sufficient or not. Please do not worry about them because they are just like those loyal partners who refuse to give up even if you ignore them for days and days. So what are we waiting for?
The most recommended one is the spider plant. I have 2 varieties here. And look at those long leaves. They look exactly like those spider legs. Hence the name, guys. These can survive on low, medium or high sunlight. But do not keep them in harsh sunlight because that's gonna burn their leaves. Next comes our most popular plant amongst the interior designers. This plant is also an air purifier but is poisonous. So please keep it away from kids and pets. The snake plant won't die even in low light area. And you can water them once the soil is completely dry. Syngonium is also known as arrowhead due to the shape of its leaves. They look beautiful both indoors and outdoors. And the best part is you can multiply the plants from its cutting. They prefer moderate light and you can water them when the soil is dry. The 4th one is palm, which looks spectacular if you put some fairy lights around. They also prefer moderate light and hates overwatering. Apart from these, you can also use pothos, peace lily, zizi, bamboo and rubber plant as some indoor plants which needs very minimum maintenance. And the last one is asparagus. These frilly feathers look gorgeous as hanging plants but require little more attention than the rest. एक अर्बन लाइफ जीने की रेस में हमने बड़ी बड़ी खूबसूरत बिल्डिंग्स तो खड़ी कर दी पर नेचर से दूर हो गए. So friends, today let's add some plants to our home and you will see the nature decides to take all your stress away in a moment. Simply place some tiny indoor plants just like this syngonium and you will find your coffee table turn out to be amazing. I bet you won't be replacing them with any other expensive decor items after that. By the way, if you haven't watched my previous video on how to style coffee table in a budget, do watch that. I'll be sharing the link in my description box. And now, let me take you to the gorgeous house of a Bangalore-based interior designer, Preeti Patnaik. See how fabulously she has embraced these plants and how they are complementing the modern interiors of her house. If you want to check more such elegant home decor ideas, do follow her on her Insta page. I'll be sharing her Insta handle details in my description box. Won't you agree? Plants are not only aesthetically pleasing but are such inexpensive decor element that never fails to jazz up any room. Of course, they are the air purifiers, but they also gives us a calming effect to our home. And that reminds me, if you like my content, friends, and you want me to make more such videos, do show your appreciation by liking my videos. And if you find them worth to share with your friends, then please don't stop yourself. Another spider plant जो अपनी हरियाली से मेरे इस डाइनिंग टेबल की शोभा बढ़ा रहा है, इसे बेहद ही खूबसूरत दिखा रहा है। स्पाइडर प्लांट एक ऐसा पौधा है जिसे बहुत ज़्यादा मेंटेनेंस की ज़रूरत नहीं। अच्छी खासी इनडायरेक्ट सनलाइट में और थोड़ी कभी कभार वाली धूप, थोड़ा बहुत पानी, बस इस पौधे की बस इतनी सी ही चाहत है। पौधे चाहे किसी अच्छे फैंसी प्लांटर्स में रखो या फिर घर पे ही बनाए गए वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट से बनाए हुए DIY प्लांटर्स में करो, ये अपनी हरियाली से, अपनी खूबसूरती से उस जगह की शोभा और बढ़ा देता है। जैसे कि अब तक आप समझ ही गए होंगे, ये येलो कलर का जो प्लांटर है, ये एक प्लास्टिक की पानी की शायद बॉटल थी जिसे मैंने पेंट करके एक प्लांटर का रूप दे दिया है। और ऊपर एक कोल्ड ड्रिंक की बॉटल को मैंने कट करके उसमें अपना एवरग्रीन पोल्का डॉट्स वाले प्रिंट्स बना दिए हैं और ये मेरा एक और खूबसूरत सा प्लांटर रेडी। वैसे अगर आपने मेरा प्रीवियस वीडियो देखा होगा तो उसमें मैंने कुशन कवर का इस्तेमाल किया था। ये वही कुशन कवर्स हैं जिन्हें मैं यहाँ पे डाइनिंग and those who are still not convinced to welcome the green babies to their sweet home must take a glance at the humble abode of this entrepreneur, Pooja Pikale. She conducts workshop in terrarium and also make customized green gifts. Look at her plants. They radiate such positivity to her home that she enjoys a zen corner everywhere at her place. I'll be sharing her Instagram details and her YouTube channel details as well in my description box. Please have a look at it. And that's all for the video, guys. See you next time. And if you like my videos, do subscribe the channel and follow me at my Instagram handle, which is Samudrika02. Thank you. Stay safe and have a healthy life. Bye.